Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the download location in the Microsoft Edge browser on Windows 11. This is especially helpful if you prefer saving files to a specific folder or an external drive. That's it, let's get started. So first off, you have to launch the Microsoft Edge browser from your Start menu or taskbar. And then you have to click on the triple dot icon located in the upper right corner of the Edge window. And then you have to choose the settings option from the drop down menu. And after that you have to hit the menu button located at the top left corner of the screen. And then you have to find and select the downloads option to proceed. And under location you should see the current download folder path. And then you have to click on the change option located right next to the current folder path. And in the file browser that appears, navigate to the folder you want to set as your new download location and then click select folder. If you'd like Edge to ask you each time where to save a file, make sure to turn on the toggle right next to ask me what to do with each download just below the location option. And then you have to close the settings tab and your new download location is now all set, and that's about it. You have successfully changed the download location in the Microsoft Edge browser on Windows 11. This setting can help keep your files organized and save space on your main drive. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more such handy Windows tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.